So right now I'm just trying to see what will happen with gold. We had negative news, well, positive news for the dollar. So we're trying to see how gold reacts with it. For today at least. Me personally, since it came out positive, I would like to see what retracement we could get into today's New York session around here. If we end up breaking this area because news came out positive, normally you see gold go down. This would be the trade if we were trying to go higher, but since positive, I would just be careful with this because it can continue down. And if we continue down, there's really nice profit targets for this specific trade. We have the full fill of this right here. Let me see. Hold up. We will have the fill of that FVG. Gold. Okay. Yeah, we will have the fill of that full FVG, and if we fall from there, coming into this area, that would be super big trade. Where we would just go to basically fill up that gap that's down there, and possibly just get a retap super early on this. We got 1, 2, third tap. But again, so far we have positive news, sorry, on the dollar. If we go over here, we have GDP growth had an increase compared to last quarters. So we are expecting the dollar to rise, my son. And we are in a very significant area for the dollar. We have this order block that's here. If we look back to this trend line, this is first touch, second touch. We're at the third touch. We haven't really broke through to say, okay, we're going up. But the dollar's bullish now. So this touch could be very significant for the dollar around these areas. Let's see what we can continue getting for the session. So far we have this last move before the news, so we had consolidations around the area. We had a push down after news, and it came out positive. Liquidity grab, and most likely it's a liquidity grab to just continue back up. But what this does, that if the dollar is bullish, you will see things like AUD USD, CAD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, JPY USD, or USD JPY, you see that bullish. NZD USD, and gold, because that'll be XAU USD. Those things I will see bearish for the meantime because the dollar is bullish. So this area, again, even though this is a nice demand area where market essentially pushed up, I'm no longer looking for buys on gold for now because the dollar is bullish also. And since gold is against the dollar, I'll be selling it. So let's see what happens with this dollar right here. And it's close to being 9 a.m. But let's see what the dollar continues doing. These heavy demand areas right here. Just send something in my group. so we had again this that built up. Let's say this is a consolidation gray area. We had the manipulation red area. Oh, manipulation red. And we're hoping for the distribution now to see that dollar continue to the upside. This is before news. If we look back, we have this dollar bullish. We're playing off of this gap right here. Heavy demand zone for the dollar. And our goal is just mainly to get over here. Once we get to that, I'll then decide what we want to do with the dollar. Because here we had a strong sell-off day. That was the beginning of August. We had non-farm payroll. And it was negative on the dollar. Oh, by the way, just to review yesterday's trade, I didn't get on Tokyo session, but I did take a trade during Tokyo session. We had a nice, let me see where I got out. Oh wait, this is yesterday's trade, sorry. Let's keep that. So this was yesterday's trade. We officially closed it out around the New York 12 p.m. Today, we got into gold around these areas where there were heavy volume yesterday. So we waited for that pullback, and we got in around that area. Stop loss would have been a little deep, but eventually we put in for that 1 to 2. This was for today's trade, from starting from Tokyo session. They had really good opportunities already, but now with that news, I don't really have any structural shift, but from that drop, this pullback, I took advantage of any pullback here into this area for any sell-off. So far
Yo, yo.
we're in profit on this. I am being very cautious with gold because it's bullish.
Yo, can you try to
Right now where we're at,
we
if this
the
is
live trading.
the hour close for the 8 a.m. This is an order block right here, also on the 1 hour, very clean. But this is also close to where this end up breaking. Now this is basically, if we were trying to buy this, this is the pullback. It's also retapping the trend line. So if we were to take any buys on gold, this is how the trade will be for today. But again, I'm not taking buys, I'm taking sells. I'm in sells, not in buys. So this is not a trade that I'm recommending. This is just how I would take it if I was to get a buy. And it can most likely get a buy, but for now, since the news came out positive, I'm going for the sells instead. Oh, I didn't even put my volume. Hold up.
Yo, David, what's up?
Sorry, he was there. Colin, can you hear me?
Yo.
Oh, snap. I
Yeah,
can't.
man.
Wait.
But I can see, but I can see anything.
Nah?
Yeah, I can see. Can you try to relance
Because that
the
happened.
live?
You can't see it at all right now?
Yeah, I can see.
You can?
No.
Hmm. I wonder why. Because I'm showing it.
Yeah, but I don't know what's happened, but maybe sometime we got some error. So can you try to
Yeah, let me close it.
um
Let me know.
yeah, anyway, try again now.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working right now. Good.
Okay. Yeah, so what I was saying, if I was to try to take any buys on gold, this would be the area I'll get into. But since the news came out positive, I'm very cautious on buying gold at the moment. I still would like to buy gold, but right now not so much since the dollar's bullish. This is
Yeah,
why we're
but
expecting these.
I don't think um dollar will be bullish this weekend.
Probably not. It'll probably be bullish for now until Fed's rate. This is why I showed just
Oh,
now like we're in a very heavy demand zone for the dollar. But my exit for the dollar buys is this area where we have strong sells come in.
oh, okay, good.
Now this could probably be the pullback that we need for FOMC next time to then push the dollar again down. That's what I'm thinking at least for now because we got positive news, but if we look at how far Fed's rate is, and they already confirmed that they're dropping rates for next month.
Very
So
good.
let me see when is Fed rates. Not there neither. Give me a second. Damn, did I miss it? Policy USD. USD. Okay, September 17th is the day they have FOMC again. Yeah, that gives us plenty of time to climb back up there
Yeah.
before the drop. FOMC is August 17th, September 17th, so it's like all the way over here.
Oh yeah, we got it. Yeah.
We have a long way for dollar to really drop. So what I'm expecting before FOMC is this pullback since it's part of positive news for the GDP. GDP is really important. We're gonna get a strong dollar, take out these equal highs, people who keep selling there, and get up here. This is our next target to go for with the dollar. We took that sell yesterday, and now we're in a demand for buys. Global share steady. Dollar slips as focus turns to Fed policy. So despite this news, it says they're still expecting the dollar to slip. Odds on September February. Yes. Dollar lower as focus turns to Fed. Wall Street poised for steady open. Let's see what happens today. So they know that the rates are gonna drop. That's why I was trying to go for sales because they want the rates to drop, but right now we got that positive news. So it's like, are we still gonna keep going for the sales because the rates are gonna drop, or are we gonna follow today's news and be positive for the day on the dollar?
Yeah, man. I'm very bearish on the dollar, but I don't know.
The only thing I see is that right before news came out, we had this consolidation. It looked like a manipulation thing. It took the low
Yeah,
and it
it's
started going up. So this could potentially be the distribution happening right now. 9 o'clock right now. 9:30. Once 9:30 hits, we're gonna see a lot. We just gotta wait 30 minutes. Let's see this. Down here. Now, if we look at things for currency, let's see what we have here. I think one of them was setting up good. Euro USD. Like from that whole drop, We had this break here. I don't know if this is a liquidity grab or break a break of structure. But from that whole drop that broke that structure, this is the only gap I see for any sells. And that's coming into Monday session during New York. That's a real good area to sell. If we were to take that, let's say if it was near that area already, this would be our trade. Take out yesterday's low. Or just go for the 1 to 2, which is kind of take out today's low, put back into the yesterday's gap. That'll be safer. But I'm saying the same thing I see on gold with Euro USD. We had this strong push down, we had the pullback. These two areas pulled back into this heavy supply zone. And now we're trying to see if we play off of that supply. With
Yeah, that
this
can be good.
with this area right here, I still don't know anything about head and shoulders, but this could be a potential head and shoulders if I measure it right. Yeah, I don't think I'm measuring right. Let me just not. I would think it's like that, but I don't know patterns. I don't trade patterns. It just looks like a head and shoulder, but that's all. Let's just trade this. Put less noise. Okay, so today I'm gonna try something new because we have to stay away from currency for quite a while for now. It's just the contract size, it's not worth it. So we're gonna try to come back to several pairs like Nasdaq, NQ is the US 30 Dow Jones, and then we have SPX. We're gonna be looking at that more often too. So with what is this? With Nasdaq NQ, this is really my supply zone right now. Let me take this off. This is worthless. This is my supply zone, but yeah, this is my supply zone. Let me not put a but. Yesterday already pulled in. If I was to sell, but I'd rather wait for New York to open, see how that happens. Because if New York breaks straight through, then we're done already. And this market isn't even open yet. It didn't get a pre-push or anything. Not even with news. News did this. Let me see. Let's look at NQ. Nice. This is news. 8:30. Yeah, this is news right here. That's barely any move compared to when New York opens. Oh, what the heck happened there? New York opens, we get pushes like this for the day. So this push isn't really anything yet for the day. We could get a lot more. Come back to gold real quick. So that area wasn't valid.
Yeah.
So we're gonna continue
Wait.
holding that sell. This is fully invalidated. God, dropping heavy. We're at the trend line. See if we can break through, which is breaking through today's morning session, and probably take out today's session as a whole, even Tokyo session. Let me just show you this. This is my liquidity that I want to take out. I drew it on my other platform, but I want to take that out. Touch is too, how do you say, too frequent? Very
Yeah.
close. Cause this
One.
is one day, this is the second day, this is the third day.
And today is touch it.
Huh?
Today is touch your trend line. We can
Yeah, right
accept to
now
push.
is there. So it's like I would take a buy because it's added, but at the same time, because the news is positive, I'm selling it. So I'd rather go because
Oh
of the news. So
yeah, because I saw FVG there too.
yeah,
Yeah, we have a FVG.
let's see what happens when we drop the other one. Oh, Euro USD.
A strong push up. Uh, Strong push up on USD. That's so weird too. It's good. I think so. USD can will be
News is
bearish.
positive today. Don't go against the news for the day at least. It doesn't have to be long term. Because let's say today news could be positive, and it's probably not even to go fully up. It's probably just to retrace and go back into areas that were left behind yesterday, let's say.
Yeah.
And if that plays out, this FEG, this we can say is a head and shoulders. Because here we have the left shoulder, we have the head, which is the pullback that we were expecting for the dollar yesterday. We had the breakthrough from here. The pullback would then be the right shoulder. And that's pulling back as this to resistance. And from that whole area, let me see how far it comes into. This comes back near a little bit over the 2/3 of this whole move right now. This is like 3/4 that pulls back to if the dollar's bullish and then we get that retracement. As of right now, we're just bullish on the dollar because of the news. And of course, we're just bullish. We have this strong move. This strong move right here, if I can just show you that. We left this area right here before. Right now, we're still playing in that area as a range in that FEG that ended up having that push to begin with. So this is why I'm saying the dollar's still bullish. Even though despite all this, from this whole move, the dollar is bullish for me. So if I was, let's say, trading the dollar, this would be my risk. This is good below trend line. If you want to be safe and put it below there. First target, take out these highs. Let's say this high is easier. The next target is just come back up here. But to complete the head and shoulders, I would just get out. So with that, this would be the better stop loss to get a 1 to 2. But this is the reason I keep trying to get buys. Because of this FEG we pulled back into. And then this gap we left behind. So there's already a target pre-made for that FEG that's back here. So it could be like this. Bounced heavy. Let's see. bounce is convincing, but it's not convincing at the same time. It is convincing though.
Damn, I always miss this trade, man.
Let's see. You said what?
I always miss this trade like on goal when you say the live. So I was at the gym, man. So I think so. I think so. You can open a channel for signal if you can.
Yeah, I'm thinking that, just not right now.
Yeah, man, it can be good because you know,
It's gonna be separate
yes,
from everybody else, even though we're all trading together.
yeah.
Yeah, I have that. I have that in mind already, to have a signal room, because I also want to give space to everybody else to share their trades.
Okay, good.
And then I noticed I'm the only one that's really sending charts, and I want everybody to send charts.
No. That's yeah. You can like a signal or maybe a chat, maybe some
Yeah,
like the
but when I
trade
make
chat.
that, it won't. I won't be sending things in the trade chat anymore.
Oh, good.
Trade
Oh,
chat is more to just talk. I guess you guys can share more. I'll put things, but if I build that other, how do you say, like a little channel, that's where I'm gonna put all my trades and updates are, instead of putting it in trade chat. Let me see something, cause I had this. I might just use this. Futures. What do you think about putting it in the way you see how there's those two categories, futures trading and forex trading?
oh,
How it's in that
the-
format? Do you think that's good to put it like that?
like like,
Huh?
I don't understand what you said.
You said what?
Can you repeat again?
I'm saying, like, let me see. Oh, I gotta. Siobhan, I want you to give me some suggestions too, but let me see what Colin says.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Yo.
Let me see. Which one is it? Is it this? Okay. Discord. Nope, that's not Discord. That's not Discord either. Oh, this is Discord. Oh, this is Discord. So, should we leave these two channels right here?
Yes, we should.
Good.
Actually,
Okay.
I want separate section for both of us. Maybe we can do into one channel, or we can make two channels with each name. So
Which one?
we can post. Uh, let me share my screen. Wait a minute.
Yeah. Wait, let me
Uh,
take off those things that you told me though. I saw you said something about support.
yeah.
Where's that
Oh,
at?
you got a lot of. Remove this study support tickets.
Okay.
Delete, just delete them.
Oh,
Yeah.
support. Okay. Study. Oh, I was supposed to get on the live stream with a friend. Let me see.
Yeah, because those are like a lot of noise there. Also, we can remove study notes or create a ticket scam alerts on the top. You can
That
just scroll up, more. Yep, the study notes,
well,
create
I could have
tickets,
probably left that
scam
for
alerts.
myself. You said take this one off too?
Yeah, delete.
But
Yeah.
that one, let me see. What is it for?
It's basically for supports kind of thing.
Okay.
Just delete that.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have no support.
Also, we can delete the scam alert, the study room. We can do that in one channel.
Those are things.
Yeah.
Some
So
of these things were put into the template already.
now you have a lot of options there right now, but I don't actually because you are the the owner of the server. That's why.
Oh yeah, you guys don't see that?
Yeah, we can't. Let me show
Okay.
you what I. Yeah, I'm live. You can see.
Let me change my stream again. Gold,
Top
and then just go here.
visible.
Yes, it.
Yeah. See, I just got this much only. After generals, achievements, wins, loss, help us improve. That's it. Also, you can delete this meme, and the fundamentals.
Delete the memes.
Yeah.
The
Even I
fundamentals
guess.
too, because nobody really uses it.
We can create a new channel for that. We can optimize them later.
Alright.
Yeah. So just check my stream. Like I guess this much is okay. And on your server, like on from your side, you can see a lot of things. Just delete them because that's just noise. To be honest.
Hmm.
Let's make this group very simple to use because you got just a lot of sections.
Yeah. The wins and losses,
Yeah.
we could take that off too.
Which one?
Wins and losses,
Let
nobody really uses that.
Yeah, delete that. Losses. I guess we can also delete that win session.
Yeah, because we have everything in the trade chat.
Yeah.
Let us
Help us
improve.
improve. Delete that. Don't delete the achievement one. Also we can yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Newsfeed and the economic calendars are important, I guess.
This one I don't put that much anymore. Economic
Actually-
outcomes.
Yeah, bro. Actually, we can automate those to the newsfeed and the economic calendar. We can automate that if you want.
The news
Then,
feed is
uh,
automated. That's from financial juice or something like that.
The economic calendar. I'm talking about the economic calendar. We can make a bot for that.
Okay.
Uh,
Let me take this
everything
one
is
off.
good.
'Cause I don't know.
That's cool right now. Make the shift the achievement a little bit up. You can shift the achievement to the bottom side, and just the shift the live streaming to the upside.
Okay. Yeah.
Below
That's
the
more
economic
important.
news or because we should visible when we open the server. We should visible like if you just live on or not. Yeah, that's cool.
Wait,
You can add a section above
put that on
live
top.
trading.
Star free value.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Why doesn't it go up? Should I just
You
put
planning
it
to sell, right?
all the way on top? Is it better all the way on top?
Yeah, all the on top.
Like where I have it right now?
Yeah, it's better. It's better. It's
Okay.
looking better right now. Yeah. Perfect.
But
You're watching my stream,
yeah.
bro? Let me show you something. Wait. There's this channel, and you see like analytics right here. There are like 4 members in the group
Mm.
that share their view.
Okay.
I was asking you to make something like this,
Got it.
or maybe we can make only one. Yeah.
Mm.
And in this they have categories like this guy right here, or maybe like this
Okay.
category. And
That's
in
nice.
each in each like let's say this is gold, EU, GU. Yeah. So
Uh,
if I open that, there's a lot of thing going on, like daily updates and everything. Okay.
That's only him.
Yeah, that's only him, but we can do like 2 guys too. You and me, we can do like that or 2.
Okay.
Like other people can only share their opinion, and maybe they can forward that into the general group and talk
Right.
about it. Yeah, kind of that thing.
Let's see.
This guy's banging like Slim or something. This guy, he's making like 10-15K a day. Genuinely.
Let me see.
I also have selling view. I actually got into the trade on the GC for the sell side.
Yeah. I'm trying to see what happens right now.
Yeah, the stops are big. No worries. The stop is super safe.
Where you have it?
Where you have it?
Um, you can see that's on. Wait. Let me.
You see this guy messaging
See
me
this
while
guy
he
messaging
passes
me
right
while
now.
he
It's
passes
cool.
right now. It's cool.
We have different chart on for futures and CFD. To be honest. Oh, price is getting into your range, bro.
Huh?
Huh?
Price is getting into your zone.
No. This
No,
this
no,
is
no. This
already that
this is
zone is
already
already
that
touched.
zone is already touched.
I'm not really
You
trying
mark
to
that
get
one.
Not really
back
trying
into
to
it.
get back into it.
If gold wants to go
If
up,
gold wants to go up,
Also, bro, if possible, you should boost the server as I did once.
yeah.
yeah,
So I guess if you boost like 4 nitros, everyone can actually stream to 1080p, and the audio quality can be improved. Uploading size can be improved. That's why.
Alright. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, it's cheap actually. I can boost two nitros
Yeah.
max right now.
I'll look at that later.
I'll look at that later.
This is like more of a
This is
trading
like
session
more of
to
a trading
organize it.
session to organize it.
Yeah,
Do you want to share your chart
Do
too?
you want to share your chart too?
yeah. Let me. On the low time frame, to be honest, gold doesn't seems to short right now. But on the bigger time frame, so actually, right now I'm being more systematic after blowing the account. To be honest,
Hmm.
uh, so let me share my chart on the bigger time frame. This is my chart actually. That's how I
You're
mark
not
my
sharing it right
structures.
now.
You're not sharing it right now.
Sharing the Discord stuff.
Sharing the Discord stuff.
It's on Discord. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Oh, you got a nice reaction, bro. Oh, it's visible now?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, this is my chart right now. More like I actually I gave the buying entry right here for this major high in the
Mm.
group. I just made a separate PDF for that, and the price did really did like that, the same.
Right.
But on the CFT, I don't know what it is doing right now. But on the
See-
CFT, by looking at the CFT chart, we can see we might get a good sell. After that, till this area right here
Mm.
on on this chart on futures.
Yeah.
I have these two zones right now, and this is what I'm seeing for sells from this area, if possible till this till 3409.
Yeah.
Actually, there's one trick like that's one concept I just recently got to know.
Mm.
So let's say if I mark the bottom and the high, and if I just calculate them. So for example, mm, let me share my entire screen.
I really like the cells
I
because
really
of
like
that
the cells
top
because of that
supply that you have.
supply that you have.
Yes. So for example, let me just use the price label mark. So we got this bottom right here, and then we got this top right here.
Mm.
So first we're gonna be first we need to write the highest number 3423.8, and then minus by the lower number
33791.
791, and is equal to divide by 2.6 and 17 like 17%. So
Wait, what's the
the market
2.6
will
about?
2.6 about.
I don't know, but that's the number that we kind of Fibonacci number. So from this bottom to 0.17, wait a minute, that will be exactly the market will reverse. So see, from this area, the market is reversed from
Yeah.
this area.
If you see on the
Yeah.
left side, there's that gap that's being filled with a lot of volume.
Where right
Basically,
here?
a strong demand zone there.
Yeah, the sim. That's the reason I just marked this supply zone because uh, so basically I just add that level on my Fibonacci area, that uh, 0.6. So basically when I put from this bottom
Okay.
till this top, wait a minute,
0.618.
from the swing top till the bottom, this is the area exactly. Let me just see this exact 1.05 to 1.618. This is the zone, reversal zones that we are aiming. So technically I just kind of, you can just find a bit confirmation with that. So we're about to get a good sell, I guess, from this area.
Okay.
We can. Yeah, and on the Euro USD, the price is doing good actually.
Yeah, that's the same thing I'm looking at.
Yeah, because I just posted one reel on Instagram. I guess you have seen that. I talked about from from here to long till this area, and after that we have talked about shorting. But right now, even we got this new scandal. That's not really working. Sometimes news really work after 1 or 2 weeks, to be honest. And on the G also we got a good sell because if I go on the line chart, we have this good supply zone on, I guess, 2 hour something supply zone,
Alright.
like the key area, and we're just following all the reasons. Even if you just trade with two charts like EU and GU is open side by side, you can see
Yeah, similar.
the EU has taken the highs, but GU didn't, and GU is into the supply zones. That's
Alright.
a lot of confidence you can use. Yeah.
EU would be better for me at least for this one.
Yeah, EU is
Looks
better,
clear.
but yeah, it's much clear. But J is also clear. Actually, if you notice this area, the supply zone right here, after the structure broke here till this high. Actually, we taken that supply zone or supply zone till the top.
What day is
People
that?
that's GBP futures.
But what
So if I
day
go
did
on
that
the
fall
lower
on?
date, it's current chart. If I go on on 15 minutes, you see we have that supply zone right there. A bullish structure shift, bearish. A lot of people must be shorting as we take that into the London session, and we're just getting that fall off.
Yeah. New York just opened too. They're probably gonna follow up.
with these.
We're getting crazy push.
Yeah. I want to see what happens with NQ. 'Cause I'm new to futures. I don't know.
You're trading NQ. I didn't touch them because those pair, bro. I'm telling you, those like the wallet. Those have a lot of volatility. To be honest,
Oh yeah,
the
absolutely.
ES. Just check the 1 minute chart. Like, shit.
1 minute.
Check
That's
ES on the
crazy.
1 minute.
That's crazy.
You can't just enter the chart. Like,
Yeah, nah.
I also had a because you need a bigger stop loss for that. I'm regretting the silver, man. Like,
Yeah, and
just
there's no zone.
There's no zone that will get into
You know,
Dow Jones right now.
Dow Jones right now.
See this. This is
See
already
this.
being
This
taken.
is already being taken.
let me.
So this could take out
So this
yesterday's
could take out
high,
yesterday's high,
the previous day's high.
the previous day's high.
I would like
That
to
can
see if we
fall.
can
I would
pull
like to
back
see
into
if we
this
can
gap.
pull back into this gap.
This is from Friday last
This is
week.
from Friday last week.
Yeah.
If we look at that on the 1
We
hour.
look at that on the 1 hour.
Yeah, this whole thing right here.
Yeah, this whole thing right here.
And honestly,
You can
this is
easily fall.
Honestly, this is
around these areas.
around these areas.
That's a clean side of action.
If it comes back.
If it comes back.
I've never traded like this as heavy
like
though.
this as heavy though.
Yeah. That's the reason I didn't just check them, because I was new on the futures, and this thing is Actually, the price behavior is totally different for the index.
Right.
So usually we are not familiar with that with the behavior. That's why I'm just being like I'm not entering into the index
Hmm.
because it's first thing it's very fast. You can just get 2 3 stop losses in like half an hour. That's the power of the index. That's why it's
Right.
more like a stock market shit. That's why I'm not entering into that.
Okay.
Okay.
And also the GJ chart, the USD JPY good for shorting.
Damn, gold just
Damn, gold just
I think pushed up
pushed up
930. Oh no, it's still
930.
there.
Oh no, it's still there.
All right, we'll just look at gold
We
for
just
now.
looked at gold for now.
Mhm.
Probably gonna stay quiet for a
on
bit.
Let's take
on
one for a
5 min
bit.
on 5 min we have structure shift actually, but let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can use line chart for clear 25 clear breakup structures and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'll be back after a while. Let me
We should expect
go see my mom.
sell coming in.
Yeah. Stop talking about now. Stop talking real quick.
So you are trading prop firm or a personal account the futures? Hello.
I'll be back
I'll be
like
back
15 minutes. Let
like
me
15 minutes. Let me
go get some breakfast real
go get
quick.
some breakfast real
But I'm
quick.
gonna leave gold
But I'm
open
gonna
like
leave
this,
gold open like this.
cause
uh
that's the area we're
are you
looking at.
trading prop firm right now, bro? Hello. Hello.
Yo,
Yo
what's
yo,
up?
what's up?
What's up, man? Good. What about you?
I'm good, yo,
I'm
man.
good, yo
Good, good.
man. Good. Good.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from
I'm
AD.
from AD.
Where? Sorry.
And you?
And you?
And you?
Yeah, yo.
Yo.
I'm from
I'm from
AD.
AD.
Uh,
Is that what you
Is that
asked?
what you asked?
what?
Where I'm from?
Where I'm from?
Yeah, where are you from? Like which country?
Yeah,
Yeah,
AD,
AD.
AD.
AD. What's that? Like I'm hearing for that first time.
Ah, yes, it's an
Yes, it's
American
an
control.
control.
Uh,
It's like
let me.
it's like
It's like
neighborhood with
neighborhood with
Dominican.
yeah,
What's the continent for like?
The American Central.
Central.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
You
man.
you feel
You
you feel,
you
you feel like
you feel like
Afghanistan, right?
Afghanistan, right?
Me? No, no, no. I'm from India actually.
India?
India?
Yeah,
Oh, that's right.
Oh,
Okay,
that's right.
good. The
Okay, good.
accent, the accent
yeah.
The
is
accent
like
is like
But like what?
yeah, you got it
yeah, you
like
guys
so much.
like
Actually, to be honest, I like we like I can read, I can understand English very fluently, but I never really spoken much before. That's why, and also I have uh,
Yeah, yeah.
language doesn't matter. Like from childhood, I stuck on some letters, some pronunciation. That's why I
Yeah,
stuck a lot. Yeah, in speaking.
yeah,
It's with every language with my national language too. That's the problem.
yeah. That's
yeah, that's
it's not yeah,
it's not
no problem.
okay.
That's good.
That's good.
So what you looking
So
at
What
right
you
now?
looking at right now?
right now I'm looking at gold. To be honest, I'm expecting more clean sell from because 1 minute. If I would be trading 1 minute, I would enter right here and stop loss previous 1 minute high. That would be my clean entry.
You
Yep.
you looking
You're
sell? You looking sell?
looking sell?
What?
You looking sell on
You're looking
gold?
sell on gold?
Yeah, I'm looking still on gold.
Oh, good.
Oh, good.
I'm very
I'm
bearish
very
on US.
bearish on
The news is
news is
positive.
positive.
bearish on what?
on USD,
On
but I
USD,
saw
but
the
I
news
saw the
really
news really
positive.
positive.
Yeah, bearish on news. That actually, I was also bearish on on the DXY. One thing what I have noticed, like personally, I always have a DXY view. Then only that's the core core part of my trading. If I'm wrong on the DXY, I will be wrong for all the trades. That's the reason. Actually, I was expecting much higher selling. Can are you watching my chart?
Yeah,
Yeah, I see, yeah.
I see.
Yeah, so basically, I was expecting more sale continuation because on the 3 month candle, you can see how we closed on that 3 month candle. Like we were super bearish, super strong bearish. Even on the monthly candle, we closed very strong bearish candle, and to be honest, I was expecting much further downshift because on the bigger time frame, if you go on like the 12 months or 6 months, we had super long term bearish on the DXY. Actually, I was expecting this bottom to be taken out. Second thing, I use this Fibonacci area, something like this, from this top. Wait a minute. Actually, right now I'm not using my mouse. That's the reason I'm like getting slow on that. From this top to this bottom, right here. So this is from 0.5 to 0.3 is the area where I look for longs basically. And if you just mark something like from previous high to bottom, you will get this area from 0.5 to 0.3. That's the area. You will see a lot of trend reversal happening from this area. So basically, I was looking for longs from this area, but that time I was using different DXY TCV chart. And when I look on this chart, if I put my Fibonacci from this top to this bottom, at this chart we didn't touch that 0.5 to 0. The month of July, first day of the July, I was super bearish, and that's why this monthly candle I purely bearish on the chart, and that's why I didn't make any profit in the July month. But after that, I quickly got the reset. I just check more charts on DXY, and I came to know the big institutions use the index chart. So if you check the index chart, we are so much into the buying area. Wait a minute, I need to get that. No, this chart, yeah. So IC market. So we are basically in the buying zone, to be honest, and it is possible that we can get a correction till 12 May high. That can be super possible, but let's just flow with the like what happens. Let's just not project. Even though if we close all the way up to the bottom, then there's a that we can reverse till 12 May. That's why we can get that correction.
You use
You
a
use a
Hmm?
personal account
personal
or you
account
use
or you
Sorry.
did you use
did you use
a personal
personal
account
account
or frame?
or frame?
Bro, your voice is stuck in lagging.
Because maybe I
Because
have
maybe I have
we got a
we got
feedback.
a feedback. We
I don't know, maybe
don't
it's
know,
just
maybe it's just
let me
let's
see.
see.
Bro, your voice was lagging. Can you repeat that again?
I always
I
ask
always
you
ask you
if you
if you
use
use
personal
personal
account
account or
perfume.
perfume.
I use personal too and the Profum too. I use both. I trade on the both account. So
Oh,
on the
okay.
personal, if on the personal, if you make 50 or $100 in 2 or 3 days, that's enough for daily groceries and stuff.
Good.
To be honest, I bought 100K right now. Like it's been 10 days. I started trading on 13 August, and I blew that I guess yesterday or day before yesterday. I guess.
Oh,
Let me just
damn.
log in. Yeah, let me just funding tactics. Actually, the reason I blew this account because I was trading 1 minute and I was trying to catch bigger RR trades, and that was the reason I just blew this account. Otherwise, my direction was my direction was very good.
Damn.
You can check this. First day, 0.7 loss. On the second day, I was break even. On the third day, also I was break even. On the fourth day, I made more like 1%. On the fifth day, I made 1.1% profit. On this 20 August, I guess it was Wednesday. I was trading JPY, I guess, and that really pissed me off because let me get on the 30 minutes. I was trying to sell the market at this area, you see, at this zone. This is all the trade that I took. Like on the 19 August, I took this trade. On the 20, I took this sell, got a break even. I did second try, took my SL like $300 on this, $500 on this. I also got one more trade right here, and that also taken me out. Then the market just got into my take profit. And
Yeah, man.
to be honest, I guess it was 8 p.m. right here at this time when I got out of the trade, and I just went to the bed. Like I was too drained. I was sitting from morning till the evening for this trade to happen. As soon as I get on my bed, the market straight away fall till yesterday. And to be honest, I didn't open chart at this at on the Thursday because I was on my business that day. I didn't check the chart, and I just like to be honest, I was very pissed on that. And after that day on the Friday, I guess I was looking silver to buy, and this was my area. I was just looking at the price. The price just slammed for like on the 1 minute, and price just ran away. I didn't give and just take my TP on that. I was so pissed on this also. And on the Monday, I guess I didn't left much with my account, and that's on the max drawdown is 3%. So
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, so I made like 1.4% loss right here. After making 19%, I was 1.4% down. So 1.4 plus 1.5, that's let's say that's 2%. And after
yeah,
that, I
2%.
made 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was done like 3% down. Like I just left with 2% or 4% after after 20 August. That's okay. Actually, to be honest, on 25th May, I was not planning to lose this account. So emotionally attached with the account, and I decided let's just blow this account. Let's get a 2 or 5 days break, reset the mindset. Let's get on the bigger time frame, and then we can purchase one more account. It was not worth it, to be honest. After making this much loss, mentally I was so fucked. I thought like it's better to just get rid of this account, get reset, and then buy just another new one because it was like $124 for that 100 account. It's literally very cheap.
Oh, 124.
124.
124 for 100 gig account, and there's no activation fee for that.
Oh,
For
400K.
400K.
Yeah, for the 100K.
Oh, that's a
Oh,
ship,
that's a
man.
ship, man.
Oh, they are running more, they are running 50% off currently for the 24 hours. Let me check that code FT for 50%. Code is FT. Let me just buy a new challenge. Let me check the funding text pro 100K one step FT FT. Dan, that's $100, bro. Hello.
Yo,
Yo.
Yeah, that's $100 for 100 account. No activation fee, no consistent rule, nothing, bro.
yo, this
Yo,
that
this that
is cheap, man.
man.
Was how
Was
many? How
how
many?
many? How many?
The Jordan.
The Jordan.
That's 3%, one step, 3% drawdown, 6% target.
Oh,
Uh,
3% Jordan,
2%
2%
Jordan,
target.
2% target.
3% drawdown, 6% target. One time,
Oh,
once you, it's a one step account basically.
oh, okay, one
Oh,
step.
okay, one
Good.
step. Good.
Yeah, and there's 40% consistent rule into the challenge phase. But once you get into the master account, consistent rule or something like that. But the weekly reward cap is 5. You get, like, I guess, if you make $5,000, you're from that $5,000 you get 60% withdrawal.
Oh,
That's
good.
the
Okay.
Yeah, but I guess it's cheap and it's okay because you're trading 100K account. Even if 300 $400 per trade, you can make good amount. I guess it's better to go for these accounts if you just planning to, if you have a good edge into the market.
Yeah, if you,
Yeah,
it's
if
good.
you is good.
Yeah, I had a strong view on the silver, to be honest, today. I like for this week.
Hello, hello.
Yo, yo.
Yeah, my laptop just died out of the battery.
Yo, me, I'm trying to pass my challenge too, man. So,
Oh, which challenge?
100K, man.
You got 100K on which prop firm? Is it futures or CFD?
Oh no, it's a level up challenge.
Level up.
Yeah, level
Okay.
up. Uh, the
So like
US. Good.
it's it's prop firms or what?
Yeah, it's a pop firm. It's a US. He has a US challenge. From company from US.
Oh, okay. Empower your trading to next level.
Yeah, it's like the good thing I like on level up is I don't know if you change the rules, but it give you daily payout, man. Like
Oh,
if you pass your challenge and you make 100 or 2000 K, you can withdraw instantly, man. It come to you like 50 or 1 or 2 hours max, man. That's why I love it. But I don't know if the company changed the rules, but when I was know it give you the daily payout, man.
uh, oh, they got swing trading account too. Swing trading.
Yeah, I got a swing trading.
The fees is good actually because oh, they are giving news holdings, weekend holding, profit sharing 80 50 80 20%.
You say
And now they are good. They are good. Like, can we change the account size?
account size
Yeah,
is a 100K, 100K.
like they have only one account size, 200K.
Yeah, I have only one account, 100K.
I'm telling actually, I'm not able to change the account size. Are they only have one account size?
I can understand what you say.
I mean, like I'm not getting option to change the account size.
Ah, okay, 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 good.
Ah, I got it. I got it. They have 10K, 25K, 50K.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't. Yeah, I don't know if you can. It's a level up.
Uh,
Maybe you can sell many maybe people on Insta on maybe Howl. Uh,
was
is Howl is a guy who have a level up company.
no, I don't know. I don't know much.
Uh,
Influencers to be honest.
US. Okay, good, got it. Yeah,
Okay,
man.
so
I music.
they have daily reward for the one step account. Yeah,
Yeah, for
exactly.
all of account, for all of account daily rewards. So I don't know if change the rules. Yeah, you can have daily payout.
Actually, that's pretty, peaceful to have daily payouts. You can like, even you have a 100K account, you make $500, click the withdrawal in 24
Yeah,
hours. It's in.
yeah, it's coming to you, man. That's it.
Yeah. To be honest, right now, after blowing that 100K account, I'm like more focused on, to be honest, catching uh, higher ARA trade is the dumbest thing you can do. Like, to be honest, I would say because recently I got to know about there was one list release. So there were top 10 traders from over all the world, like top 10 forex traders, like top 10 forex traders. So the average
Oh,
RR, hello,
yeah, good.
yeah. So the average RR they are making is lower than 1:1.
Oh, okay, 1 to 1.
Yeah, they are not even making 1:1 RR per trade, but they're still profitable and making billions of dollars out of it because
Damn.
their stop losses a lot big stop losses. So even if you're risking 1% for 100 pips, doesn't matter. Like if you're trading gold, you're risking 20 pips for stop losses for $1, 1%, and you let the trade run into a direction. At the end, you just need a good direction. If you're just right on the market for the direction, you will simply win that. For direction, you can use COD datas. And let me tell you one guy. You should check this. There's one guy on the YouTube. It's called. His name is. Wait a second. Transparent FX. The search
Transport.
Transparent FX Academy on the YouTube channel. You should watch his all the videos. Like he posts analysis on the pre-market analysis, and this guy, to be honest, this guy have a good edge in the market. He gives the swing trades out, but his direction for the markets are purely every time he gives like 90% correct direction.
Oh, you can send me the name or you can send the link on the you can
Yes.
send the name on the chat. Maybe I will try. I will
Let
check
me
out.
message. Uh, Bro, can you message me on Discord? I can't. It says your message could not deliver.
Yeah, maybe you send a link. Maybe you send a link. You don't need to send a link. Just send me your name.
It's not sending. Can you just send me hi? I'll send you the link.
Okay, let me add to you.
If you're trading, if you're trading, if you want a good, basically, if you just follow this guy, you can be profitable. To be honest, like he's good at the market. He's good what he's doing. Actually, if you got money, you should be, there's 2 3 guys I know, like they are super genuine. If you got like $5,000 or something more than that, you can join them. You can be profitable from the day one, because the guys are really good on this.
Oh man. I already try many guys who trade for you, like he share 50% to you, but he never be
I'm not
consistent.
talking about both sides, because now there are people, like there are real traders. Those are making massive profit. They will not manage your account, but they will provide you all the tools. They will provide you all the guidance. There's one guy. I don't remember the name, but I follow him. He has taken over 250 payouts from FTMOs. He's the number one trader in the FTMO community. And his name is Brendan, something like that, kind of like that. And that guy has a prop. Yeah, that guy is launching his own prop firm right now, I guess. He also made his own auto flow tool coming soon to the market. That guy's killing you. Like last year, he literally verified his PNL from something called Alpha Capital, something or like that. He made nearly around 3.5 million last year.
Oh, damn.
Like he's genuine, to be honest. He share his life, like his kid, his wife, and everything. Like what's going on.
Yeah, man. I try to stay consistent, like with $200 power trade buying and try to make a 0.9% per trade. That's my consistent right now. So I don't want to be greedy. So I don't know.
How
So
much?
maybe it can take me 2 or 3 months to pass my challenge, but I will stay consistent, man.
Yeah. So you just, are you right now in drawdown or something, or are you in profit?
Yeah, I'm a profit 2% to my account. So I'm trying.
Oh, nice, nice. What's the profit target?
Um 10K.
That's 5%. You're on the second phase.
No, it's the first phase. It's a 10%. I need to make 10% on the first phase.
The account is one step or two step.
Yeah, two step. I have a two step, not one step.
Bro, it will gonna take you long time to pass it out.
Yeah, it will take long time, man. So, but I try to be consistency, but because I never pass a challenge, man. It's a long time. I try to pass a challenge, man. So
To
now
be
I
honest,
saw
uh,
say
yeah, like it's really easy. When I was when my direction was right in July month, I passed I passed the phase one on the 5K account. That was my friend's account. To be honest, I got one guy calling me, and he was like, borrowed money from my dad, saying that I will clear this account, but I am not able to clear that account. Currently, I am in drawdown for the 2%. I was like, okay, just give me the login ID and password. And I passed that first phase in 3 days, I guess. And the second phase, I don't know what was that guy doing. In the second phase, he made three trades, like two wrong trades with a 2% risks on the Bitcoin. I was like so pissed off with that guy. But I was having sell view on the GJ and the gold. So uh, after on the first day when I took the account passwords, the credentials, I log into the first account, into the second phase account, and I was I was awake for 3:30 for the market, 3:30 a.m. for the market. I placed my first trade on 3:55 a.m. on the gold sale and the G sale. I made total 11% that day on that account. And also, but they had a really bad rules. You can't make more than I guess 40% per trade. So I can the max was $74 per trade. So I need to place like 4 or 5 trade in one position. Also, I need to maintain a 4 minute time frame gap in order to count that trade into second different trade. But I somehow managed, and I made 11% total. So he was drawn into he was drawn into he was down total, I guess, 4 or 5%, and I made additional 6% on that. So I made nearly about 11% in one day in less than 20 hours, because I was only right on my direction. I was trading 1 minute time frame. I was just making snapper entries on that day. I don't know why, but only the reason I was my direction was super right. That was the only reason.
yeah, if you got a direction, it's good, man.
Uh, I would suggest you have bigger stop losses, risks $500 for the bigger stop losses, like 100 pips or 200 pips stop losses for $500, or like for the $1,000 you have like 2,000% is your 1% is $2,000, right? You should risk $1,000 for 200 pips. You will get a huge buffer. Even if market went into your direction for like for 20 or 30 pips, you can just break even that, because you got a huge buffer, right? And after that, if the markets goes into your direction, at the
Yeah,
end,
you
gold gives you like 200 pips for gold is nuts, to be honest. It like if you just calculate all the moves, like all the up and down moves, gold gives more than 1,000 or 1,000 pips per day. So having big stop losses on the currency pairs is you can just like make a lot out of it.
yeah.
How much you're
Yeah.
risking current?
I always $300 bow trade.
$200
200,
per trade?
yeah, $200 per trade. I take maybe three trade per day, maybe 1% daily, but not 1% for one trade. I trade. I take a three trade with $200 per trade and target like 500 or $700. That's for me is fair, but I can't sometime because I make a many mistake on before. mm, 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 Maybe
Yeah,
I made. Yes, I'm trying to be stay consistent. So like I maybe the challenge can take me like too long to pass it, but I will try to stay consistent, like risking 1% daily, like maybe different trade, like different, not the same trade. I will like launch two trade the same pair. No, I will do like USD GPY one trade like $30. If I lost, I will trade GBP or a card like $200 and another pair like $200. Like maybe if I win, I will win one, or if I lose, I can lose two trade on same day. But I'm trying to be stay consistent with this strategy and why see if it works, so I can keep it. But I try, maybe strategy is never working. So now is a David who sent me this strategy, but he say, because only thing I know in the challenge, when you go to the challenge, you part you trade your the good thing, your the company ask to you to be say the risk management. But if you can keep the risk management safely, so I can tell you, it can take you some time, but you can be good for you to make money. But my goal is right now is make my 9 to 5 job to my challenge. So I make to 150K weekly. I know, like for two weekly, I make 150K when I was working 9 to 5. Now I have a goal to make 200K, or like for for 2 weeks. So that's my goal. I don't need to be greedy to make 50K on 60K on challenge right now. So
Mm, actually got a good mindset. Uh, to be honest, even if you're making $300 or $400 per trade, you can make 1% easily every day, maybe 3 days a week. Yeah. So you can make 2 or 3% per. Hello.
yeah, I'm here. You're good.
Uh, Even if you're making, even if you're making 2% or 3% per week by risking $200,000, I guess that's a lot, to be honest. That's a lot.
To make a 1%, if I risky $200.
So yeah, what I like, I would say, focus on 1:1, risk 200 or $300, make that money, because 1:1 is super easy for you, and you can control the risk management, you can get the profits quickly, and it's on you, bro. Like, I'm just suggesting something. When
Yeah,
in the starting, when I back back 2 years, I bought 20 or 25K account on my Fundex Forex, like the company, the first company that shut down, like that time, if you remember that, MFF company, something called, I don't
yeah,
remember
my
the name.
forex, my
uh,
forex,
my,
my forex. Yeah,
yeah, something like that. Yeah, so I bought 20 or 25K account for the first time. I passed the phase one, and I just bridged the phase second, because I was using the same strategy. So if you make, so that was 20K, I guess, 20K account. So $200 was 1%. So I was making, 30 $40 per trade consistently. So you don't realize, uh, until you make that. So when I was making 20 or $30 per trade, at the end of the day, I was up 1% or 1.3%, even realizing that I made that much profit, because our mind is built that way, that we values the bigger thing more than the small thing. But the small things can be, at the end, if uh, if you have, let's say, if you have 1 liter bucket, right, and if you fill
yeah,
that thing, and
I got you. I understand what you say. We're good. You can, yeah, we're good.
yeah, that's the reason I'm telling you that, like, I passed that first phase by making $30 $40 per trade, with 1:1 like, I used to open, I used to open big SL. I used to open big SL. I was not caring about the RR. I was not caring about the risk management. I used to, like, there was 20K account, right? So I was opening 0.10 or 0.20 lots max. So even if I get in the loss of $100, actually I was not caring about the stop losses, because my, uh if I'm running 100 pips on 1 on $0.10, that would be $100, that would be 0.5% of risk. But even if I run $20 up, that would be 20, if 20 pips up, that would be $20. So once I reach that 20 pips in profit from my zone, I would simply cut that trade, and I would be, shift to the next one. And to be honest, that works excellent. That works really good. Having a bigger stop losses, like 100 200 pips, catching that 200 20 30 pips, 10 20 30 pips, you know, that would literally make you in profits. Like gold reacts from every zone. Gold easily gives us 20 or 30 pips. That's nuts, to be honest. Because as I told you, the bigger billion, the uh, you know, multi millionaires or billionaire traders, and they are making consistent profit in billions. They don't care about the risk reward. They care about the direction. They care about the trade. Like as soon as they be in profit, you should
Yeah.
first thing you should always book profit. It doesn't matter if you run 1:1, 1:2. If you run 1:2, get break even, book 50%. That is the first rule that I have learned so far. Second thing, big have bigger stop losses. Third thing, never re-enter the trade. So basically, if you have bigger stop losses, right? So let's say you have some supply zones, yeah, and you're not risking you're not entering on the smaller time frame. If you have, let's say you have 4 hours supply zone, and your small stop losses is like 100 pips for that, or 80 pips for that on the gold. So if I once I enter that trade, I'm not trading on the lower time frame, right? Once I enter on that trade, then if I take that SL, so basically my analysis was wrong. I can't enter second time on that trade. So that's the good point for trading bigger stop losses. If I was, let's say that's 4 hour supply zone, that's 80 pip range. If I was entering on the 5 minutes, or let's say on the 1 minute after change of character or market structure shift, I can easily get three or two SLs on that, risking risking 0.2% or 3% per trade. That would fuck me mentally a lot. And that what really happened in this challenge. I was trading with 0.2 or 0.3 percent per trade on the low time frame. And my view was like I can make 5 hour, or I can make 10 hour. That is bullshit, to be honest.
Yeah,
Having bigger
man.
stop loss is the like there's only two things. First, have bigger stop losses. Second thing, always book profit. That's it.
Yeah, man.
You
I
will
try
pass.
to.
Oh, Apex
Yeah.
have 90%. Apex is running 90% sale. What?
They've been having
I
that
don't
90%
understand.
for a while.
I just got a notification right now. 90% off any size evaluation. 90% off first month and 80% reducing month. 37 reset across the board. 1 day to pass. Shit.
But they've been having that 90% for a while.
Bro, what the fuck? Special limit lifetime PA fee for 20 to 50 as 300K only for $37.
Yeah.
I think you should buy this. You should just buy and save the account. Like, I don't know.
Who, Colin?
Uh,
Oh, so
the
no, no.
you know,
Because the only thing I realize in the perfume you tell is a monthly payment. We got a monthly payment, right?
yeah.
Yeah, maybe. But me, I don't risk a lot, man,
After,
when I'm trade.
I
So
think after
it
you're
would.
done with the challenge though, you don't have to pay monthly anymore.
Yeah.
The only thing you will have to pay, at least that's how it is with Top Step, is the activation fee to activate the live account.
Active.
Yeah, activate.
But activate fee is like a monthly payment,
No,
maybe,
no, it's one
right?
payment.
Is it one
It's a one
payment?
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, one time. Apex
Really?
currently,
Hmm.
yeah. So Apex right now have $85 activation fee for every account.
Yeah, that's not bad, man.
For $37 for 300K account. Like that's nuts, to be honest. $37 for 300K account.
Damn, dollar's dropping heavy today.
And you can pass that in 1 day. You can just gamble straight away.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I passed this challenge with Top Step just today, and that was only 2 days of trading. It was this gold trade,
What?
and then I think it was, I think it was both gold. So gold. Oh yeah, gold yesterday and then gold today for the buys.
Oh,
Bro,
you,
how
you
But with
already,
those
you already,
two, you could. I passed the challenge already.
damn it.
how much,
What
bro?
happened?
How you do that? Like, it's nuts for you. Like, passing challenges are very easy for you. Like,
Because my risk management system is it's like Mike Tyson says, my defense is impeccable.
yeah. So how much is
That's a,
risk per trade? What was like, what was in your head? Like, I guess we both should follow David every day in terms of risk management.
Yeah, it's fun. It's an art because you can do anything with risk management. You can take it in any way you want. But with me, I'm taking a specific way where it's 15% a day, but I could take 3 trades. So 3 trades of 5%. And let's say if one
How much?
session is good and I made that goal, we still have New York session. I have the opportunity if I want to get in during New York or stay out.
So how much are you risking per trade? Like, what's the account size that you passed today?
So how I trade, I don't trade based on the account size. I based on how much I have to risk. So I don't care if I have a 5K, 100K, or a 10, 150K. I want to know how much risk am I using. Because from there, that's when I really break down my risk management. It's not from the 100K. It's from what I have to risk. From there, I'll take any approach. I could do either whatever percent you want to basically risk for the day. But I look at it specifically as, you know how flip accounts, personal, you risk like 15%, 10%.
Yeah, yeah.
That's basically how I look at prop firm accounts. I'm looking at what I have for risk, and then I'll do the same thing, 10 or 15% per day of that risk. So
Okay,
there, you don't have to trade 1% of the whole account. If you're saying, let's say, you're 100K, you're not trading 1K.
yeah.
Let's say with Top Step, I think it's like 3% that you have from that 100K. So it's like 3K you're playing with. From that 3K, then I'll base my risk management. So then I'll say, for today, I'll risk 15% of that 3K for the day.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I got it.
Yeah,
So, so you were risking around $450 per trade, I guess, right?
basically today, yeah.
Yeah. So, and what is the average RR you were capturing?
Shoot, I haven't even calculated RR yet with futures because you know how when you enter another contract, it gives you the average price.
Yeah, I got that. I got
Yeah,
that.
but
So,
based on the analysis, I always go for that 1 to 2. But because I'm scaling in, it won't be a 1 to 2.
you passed 100. So, what's the account size that you
Let
passed
me
today?
see. Let me show you. Let me see if I can give you an example here, cause this was my original entry, but as I was scaling in, my average price it started going. Well, it started going up and down, but eventually it got
Wait,
like up to here. That was my drawdown. Anything below
wait a
that.
second, bro. Your stream is not like. Can you restart the stream, please?
Can
We
you
can't visit. It's not.
let me know if you see it.
Wait a second. Yeah, visible.
It's visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how I was taking it. This is how I'm taking it so far in futures because they give average price. So this was my original entry. It was like around um London session.
Yeah.
No wait, actually let me see something because I was not in that anymore. Um
That was Asian session, I guess.
yeah, I took a late Asian session. This is something I wouldn't even do. But I took it around this area right here. From London session touching again, that's when I really liked it to push up.
Mm-hmm.
But now with that trade, I'm already in this from here. This is my drawdown. Once it started going up, I'm so glad that you could do this with futures. But they have the seconds time frame. I was looking at the seconds time frame after that tap. And when I saw each gap, I started scaling, and so I scaled in here. I think, um, yeah, I didn't scale in much. It was more like near the bottom that I was scaling in, but I was seeing structure. So one thing that caught my attention was let me see what it was. Damn, I wish I recorded it yesterday.
That doesn't matter. You got a bigger
Cause this
stop
is
losses, right?
yesterday. I was done by 7, like 5 in the morning. I
Early in the
was in.
morning, so that London close, I guess. 3 hours after London, I
No, this
guess.
is like 3 hours after London Open.
Yeah.
I just don't know how I scaled in, but actually, like, my average line was there either way, and because like it changed there, and if I leave that same stop loss, I'll probably be losing like $2,000. But when I was scaling in, I was also trailing my stop loss. So let's say if I put it here, that $2,000 now remains my initial risk, which is probably like 450.
Mm-hmm.
So I was still risking that 450, but it's not the same 450 as here. Now we have more contracts that if I go for the same goal, that 1 to 2, let's say comparing both of them, is 1 to 2 turn into 1 to 5. This has more contracts. This had just like that $450 risk.
Right.
So
So
I'm
you
still
can't.
trying to get used to everything though
Mhm.
with risk management.
That was the train. The train line is so clean, bro. Like it respected very nicely.
Yeah. I wanted to
So you
break it
passed.
today, but I guess it's
You
going.
passed like, right?
Huh?
You passed 100K account, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Then that trade, and then this was the trade from last night that I stayed up during Tokyo because it was in a nice area of demand. Um, I had this on. This was from yesterday London close. This is 9:30 to about, what is that, 1 o'clock. That was a lot of volume there, so that caught my attention because it was during those sessions. Right here during Tokyo, we had several things. We had a touch of a trend line, FEG, and I guess if you stay using Fibonacci, I haven't used it in a while, but it's in that 6-2 level. That's 5/8 on the Fibonacci. So
That's
that's
a good
good.
level for you.
Yeah. So there was a lot of things that were catching my attention on this. And then I wonder if yesterday wasn't the day I scaled in and it was today. Let me see something. Stop loss was
So right now
massive.
you're.
Huh?
So right now you're funded. K, right? So right now you're funded 100K, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Um,
I guess that's like you have
oh
been
yeah,
funded
this
like.
one was it when I scaled in. This is why I passed it so early. Because I was supposed to still be in the challenge, but because it gave so much good opportunities and the times it was giving it, oh my god. Beautiful. I mean, I wish I would have took it that buy, but I wanted to see the sells. But this was during Tokyo session. I got in a little earlier because my time frame is like 8 to 10 trading.
But
So we
like
tapped here. We had the reaction around 11. After that, the trade is valid. It's like my time frame is 8 to 10 trading live, and then the rest is holding. So right there, I'm holding it. And stop loss by then is already down here.
like.
I was not at perfect entry, so let me fix that. Yeah, so before it was this, now it turned into this. And from there, I was able to scale in to have the same risk again. So I scaled in, that way this could be $450 risk again.
But actually, you can if you want to, if you want to scale in position, you can use both contracts like the micro and the midi.
Yeah.
So you can
Mm-hmm.
like that's a little bit of hack you can do, but
It's the
you
same
just need to
thing though.
understand
So
like.
it's like I have to keep changing MNQ to ENQ if anything. And that's gonna be my work. Challenge right here. When I woke up, I was like, yo, where's my count? And then I saw the failed account that I had in the past. I thought I failed.
That was mini heart attack.
Yo, for real. But that was gold was really nice today. One thing I wish, actually, let me mute my stream real quick, cause this is All right. Today, sorry, I was talking to my group. I'm still expecting the dollar to be bullish. Right now, it's just being a little difficult because we do have Fed rates coming out in like 2 weeks, and they are expecting the rates to be cut. So right now it's very difficult for us to sell gold, sell the dollar. I mean, buy the dollar, knowing that the rates are gonna be cut pretty soon. But we still have that. Gold was a really nice position from this morning. We're approaching these supply zones. It's just very risky to get into gold again, especially after that loss that we had. But if we were to get into it, let's see if we can manage to get into something. Yeah, this would be a pretty long drop. And the thing is, I don't know if it'll happen today because it's so far. But I guess we can see if we can get it for today. We have, let me just eliminate all this noise. So even though we had to push up, it's kind of difficult at the moment. We had a break above trend line, but at the moment we have this FEG that if we look on the 1 hour, we can see we have continuous pushes down. These areas are our area of interest for any sells if we want to sell it. I do want to sell it, so I'm still trying to see if we can get into it. We had taken the previous day's high, or previous high, sorry, and we pulled up pretty strong. Yeah, these areas would be the areas I would try to sell gold if I was to sell it again. Let's see. See, the thing is, on this, it shows completely different to how it shows in futures. So now we're gonna have to see what can we do. This is a nice area, 7. Okay. So yeah, gold is in very nice positions for more sell-off. Got it. MNQ. Oh, I don't even know I was streaming. So this is the area I would look at for gold. Nasdaq is still in position, but it is kind of rough. US 30 we have in the drop. Euro USD we're in nice position for sells. GBP USD it's not so clear. Yeah, there's not really much. Dollar, I would just like to be bullish. That's basically the conclusion of everything. And that'll cause gold to drop, that'll cause GBP USD to drop, Euro USD, etc., etc., etc. So, have a great day, everyone. Safe trading for the rest of the session, and God bless you. See you tomorrow.